Alright guys, let's go ahead and show you how to create your button right here. Okay, so we're going to take the web browser. Alright, we're going to go up here. Since I already got my stream saved, right? Since I got my Twitch saved, we're going to go to Twitch. Fluffy Peanuts. Alright, this is my Twitch. We're going to go right here, down here to the edit panel. Okay. We're going to make a button that is hyperlinked. Alright, so we're going to go down here. We're going to click on this. Right, we're going to click on the plus square. We're going to hit add text or image. We're going to add an image. Right. This is it's going to pop up with this right here. Choose a drag a file. We're going to click on that. So we're going to use, let's see here now. Let's go to pictures. We're going to click on a button. These are already pre-made buttons I have. Alright, we're going to click on that. You want to make sure you want to stretch it out and get it all the way. Okay, then we're going to hit done. We're going to make this a hyperlinked. Okay, now remember it's only 320 pixels wide. Anything bigger than that, it's not going to fit all the way. Okay, so alright, now we need to hyperlink it. Alright, so let's see what we can hyperlink to this. Since I chose the Peanut Game Discord button, alright, this will be very easy if you guys don't have Discord. Okay, this is our channel, right? So our rules with guidelines. We're going to go right here. We're going to click up here on the top of this arrow for the Discord. We're going to hit invite people. Alright, so now it comes up with this, right? So we're going to hit the edit link. We're going to make sure that it never expires. We're going to do that. We're going to have make sure there's no limit on the amount of uses that we have. We're going to hit generate link, right? Now give us the link right here. Then we're going to hit copy. Okay, exit out of that. We're going to click back onto our web browser. We're going to say we're going to right click. We're going to paste it. Now it's got the hyperlink in there. Okay. We're going to hit submit. You make sure when you do these though, you definitely need to hit the submit, or if not, it's not going to take it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Alright, so now we hit the submit. It's solid, it's grayed out. Okay, that means it saved it. I'm going to go up here to the edit panels. We're going to hit that for the edit panels to make sure that this button is clicked back over, right? So it's saved. Now look, we got all this now. Now we got all our buttons here. Okay, so this is the button that we created, was this one. We're going to click on it to see if it works. It should work. Look at that, it does work. Okay, right there's the Discord. I'm going to hit continue to Discord. Double check and double confirm. Boom, there we go. Right straight to it. Right here's the Discord. Alright. So, with that being said, guys, I greatly appreciate you. That is how you make a button that is hyperlinked. So, I'll see y'all next time.